Hello everyone, welcome to DreamAppsStore YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed us, then downside a video, you will see a subscribe button. You have to click on that button. After that, you can click on bell icon. The benefit of clicking on bell icon is whenever we will update any video, you will get a notification. So friend, today I will show you how you can install Git in your Windows system. So for that, you have to open any browser. I have a Chrome browser. I will open that and I will search Git in a Google Chrome. After searching it, Google will give me this result and I have to select first option git-srm.com. I have to click on this. After that, my system is Windows, so I will click on Windows. After clicking on Windows, here as you can see, automatically download got started. If I don't want 32-bit exe file, then I can click on cancel. So suppose my system is 64-bit, I want a 64-bit or I want 32-bit, I will click on that, and once I will click on this, the download got start. So once your download is completed, I will tell you what are the basic steps you have to follow. You can go to that folder and double click on exe file. After double click on that exe file, you will see page like this. Here you have to click on next. In next windows, you will see the path where your Git will get installed. Then after that, you can click on next. Here the default option is selected, so if you don't have any specific requirement, so don't do anything. Here also you just have to click on next. Then here you will get this page. Here also again you will click on next. Then this window will come. So here it is asking choosing the default edit used by Git. So here you can select your editor. So here we are selecting Notepad++, as most of the developer use Notepad++. That's why we are selecting here Notepad++, and then click on next. After clicking on next, you will get this page. Here in page, second option you have to select. Second option is Git for the command line and also for the third-party software. We are selecting this second option because Git will use through a command and through a third-party software like IntelliJ, Eclipse, Visual Studio. This kind of software is called as third-party software, so that's why we are selecting second option. And from a command line also will run the command. That's why we are selecting this option. After that, you can click on next. After clicking on next, you will get this window. Here again, you have to select on first option only. Use the open SSL library. Then you have to click on next. After clicking on next, here you have to select checkout, Windows style, commit, Unix style line, ending. This is the basic thing you have to click on. Then you have to click on next. Then again you have to click on next. Again next. Now in this, all the setting and everything is done. Now we have to click on install. When installation is done, you will get the windows like this, and after that you have to click on finished. So this is how you can install Git. But now I will tell you how you can verify Git install or not. So for that, you can open your command line, and in that command line you can just type as git space hyphen version and press enter. So you will get a git space version. So this is the simple step to install Git in your Windows system. Thank you for watching DreamAppsStore YouTube channel.